Malar's big house. Today, Malar is going to build a big house. I can use these. My big house will be this high, says Malar. And this wide? Malar stacks the tumblers, one over the other. All the tumblers fall down. Tung, tang, dad-doo. Malar picks up the tumblers and tries again. They fall down. Again, tung, dad-doo, tang. Malar thinks hard. She tries again. This time, the tumblers don't fall. Up, up, up they go. Malar's big shiny house is almost ready. Malar rushes to the kitchen. Everyone is busy. What do you need, Malar? Asks Appa. Can you give me half a coconut, Appa? My house needs a roof. Oh, yes. It does, says Appa. Do you like my big house, Appa? Yes, I do. This is such a lovely palace. Dabba-da-dabba-dum. Tung. Tang. What will Malar build next? Build your own palace. You will need as many paper cups as you can find, one round vessel from your kitchen, crayons or color pencils, one coconut cut in half. Tay-day. Your palace is ready.